In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export board data from monday.com to Excel. To get started, open monday.com and navigate to the board that contains the data you want to export. Make sure you're on the correct board before moving on, especially if you manage multiple projects or workspaces. Taking a quick moment to confirm this can save time later and help avoid exporting the wrong information. Once you're inside the board, look for the board menu. This is where monday.com keeps several board level options and settings. Go ahead and click that menu to open it. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. Depending on updates to the platform or your account layout, the menu may appear in a slightly different position, but the option you need will still be there. From the board menu, choose More Actions. This section contains additional tools that aren't shown in the main menu view. After you open More Actions, look for the option labeled Export Board to Excel and select it. This tells monday.com to prepare a spreadsheet version of your board data so you can work with it outside the platform. At this point, give the system a moment to generate the export file. The time this takes can vary depending on how much data is in the board. Larger boards with many items, updates, or columns may take a little longer, so it's a good idea to wait until the file is fully prepared before clicking away or refreshing the page. Once the export is ready, download the file to your computer. Choose a location where you can easily find it, such as your Downloads folder or a project folder you already use for reporting and file management. Keeping exports organized is especially helpful if you plan to compare data over time or share the file with teammates later. After the file has downloaded, open it and review the exported monday.com data. This final check is important because it lets you confirm that the correct board was exported and that the information appears as expected in Excel. Look through the rows and columns and make sure the key details are present and readable. If anything seems missing or out of place, you can return to monday.com and repeat the export process. That's all it takes to export board data from monday.com to Excel. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.